Show Grandma Dolly your new outfit Papa got. Woo-hoo! Do it again. Twirl. Look at the socks. Everything match. Woo-hoo! Say hi, Grandma Dolly. That's some good dancing. Nikki, love. Come here, honey. Come here. Show Grandma Dolly close up. Come close. Let's show her your outfit close up. Come here. I know, look at your socks. They're cute, honey. Come here. I love that outfit. I love it. Can I have a kiss? You want to go for a walk? Okay, give Daddy a kiss. You want shoes? Can you stop picking your nose, please? Look at her outfit. Come here, Nikki. Oh, there it goes. Damn stuff. Nikki.